Good morning, everyone. Steve Georgie here from Allendale's trading floor, February 26th, approaching the end of the month. But a lot going on right now that we've really got to pay attention to. First off, we've got to pay attention to our annual acreage survey. So get online, get on our website. We need your help out there. We've done a fantastic job in the past, and the only reason that we have was because of you guys out there filling out the survey, letting us know what you guys are going to be planting and some of the changes that you might be making. So it gives us a heads up, and we'll return the favor, get you guys our information a few weeks ahead of time before the planting intentions report here at the end of March. But corn right now up about 3 to 4 cents. Finding some strength. We found that March corn pretty strong yesterday. Finding some strength again today. But the December corn, new crop corn, kind of struggling yet, still hanging out at that 550 level, not really finding any support yet. But we'll see how this all works out today. But we are finding that nearby contract strong as we get into first notice day. Guys are expecting not to see deliveries here as far as corn, but the spreads right now are taking control. You've got that more divergence between guys buying March, selling May, but we'll see if that does continue here. But as I mentioned, corn is up. We're retesting that $6.99 to $7 area for March. Beans, though, struggling, down about 8 3/4 cents. So we found a spike lower yesterday. We had a decent recovery yesterday, but we're selling off again. So we are kind of backing off right now for beans, and they've getting some rains down in South America. We also have a pretty good weather system moving through the Midwest here today. They're talking some pretty snowy conditions for most of the Corn Belt, but it's moisture. So we've got to keep an eye on that as well. Wheat down about a penny as well as the plains had gotten some rain had gotten snow there yesterday. So things that we need to watch today. First off, the budget cuts coming up here at the end of the month. The sequester, as they're calling it. We've got to really pay attention to some of these outside markets. They're moving around very quickly. The dollar right now up another 12 cents. If you look at a chart there for the dollar, we've seen it screaming higher, and it's continuing its path. Crude oil dropping back another 70 cents today. We've seen that come off its highs very quickly, and it's pushing lower yet again today, down another 70 cents. The stock market, right near the close yesterday, we ended up finishing down 216 points. We're currently up about 31, but that's not a lot. We're going to see some more movement there as guys try to get in position here for what they think may happen here coming up Friday and through the weekend. The S&P took a slide yesterday, up about 3 points right now, and then the metals. Yesterday, two things that were higher. Well, you had gold and silver, you had the metals, and then you also had the dollar. So it's almost like guys are rushing to something for a safe haven right now. The dollar and the metals. Gold up another 4 right now. Silver dropping back only about 9 points. But watch these indicators. Okay, a lot of emotion right now is going to be built into this market, and then probably taken out of the market afterwards. But right now, it's pushing these markets around, and it's affecting everything. So you've got to really know what's going on here and watch a lot of these markets. Give us a call. We'll watch them for you. Now, as far as cattle and hogs, cattle right now down about 17 cents. Box beef coming in, kind of mixed yesterday. Choice up 20, select down 5 cents. So not a lot going on there. Guys are going to be focused on what cash cattle are going to do this week. We should see some more friendlier fundamentals right ahead of us. We just haven't seen this market turn yet. The technicals, the charts look pretty weak right now, but we need to get some more positive news in here to really get this market turned around. Not just cattle, also hogs. Hogs are down 20 cents right now, but yesterday we were down sharply due to a poor cold storage report last week, and we managed to fight our way back and actually close higher than the hogs yesterday, so it felt good. But we need to build more of this momentum higher. I just don't know if it's time to do that yet. You know, cash hogs right now are still working a little bit lower, and we've got to try to watch that. Cash is king right now. We may see some more sloppy and some choppy markets here for hogs over the next few weeks, or for the next week here before we should see the cash market start to turn. But we'll see how that plays out as well. a lot of information out here, guys. Give us a call. We'll be glad to let you know what's going on. I strongly encourage you guys to take the survey that we have. We've had a great turnout there last year as far as participants. Want to make sure that you get your opportunity here this year as well. But give us a call with any questions that you have. You can reach us here at 800-262-7538 or check us out on the web, allendale-inc.com. Hope you guys have a great day, and I'll talk to you later. Take care.